Okay, this is how we'll put an APA formatted running head into a Microsoft Word document. So we'll just open Microsoft Word. Use a blank document for now. And there's a couple different ways to do this, but we'll show the way. The first thing we'll want to do is go up here into Insert. And we see over here we have Header. So we click on Header and just open a blank header. And the first thing we need to do is put in a page number. I should actually say the first thing we need to do is make sure that we tell Microsoft Word that we want a different first page than all remaining pages. So what we'll do is we'll go up here and just click on different first page. That'll do that for us. And now what we'll want to do is insert the page number. We have to insert the page number before the actual title of the running head and header. It's just a way that Microsoft works, at least for me. That's how I figured out how to do it. So we'll come up here to page numbers and then add a page number at the top of the page, just the first plain number 1, simple. And you'll see this will put our cursor on the left-hand side of the page number. So what we can do now is actually type in running head, colon, followed by the title of our header. So we'll just do running head, colon, header. Remember that needs to be all caps. And then what we'll do is we'll use the tab button to get the page number over onto the right-hand margin of the paper. So now what we need to do is make sure this is in Times New Roman font and 12 font size. So what we can do is just select all of this by using Control A, and then what we'll go is to the Home tab and make sure that we have Times New Roman font, and then go over here to our font size and make sure that's 12. So now we have a running head on the first page that's formatted for APA rules. Just make sure there's no extra spaces. Then what we'll do is we'll close this, and then we'll just use the Enter button to get to the second page here. So we'll go down to our second page, and you'll see that it already has a pre-determined set of text that we want to change for the running head. So what we can do is go back to Insert and Header, click on this again, and we'll click on blank, and then what we can do is remove the type here that was pre-entered for us. And now what we'll do is we'll enter our page number. Again, top of page, plain number 1. And you'll see that it's page number 2. Now what we want to do is just put the actual title of our header here in all caps. So header. Again, use the tab to bring this over to the right-hand margin. Again, Control A to select everything. And then go back to the home page. And then Times New Roman font with a 12 point font size. Again, make sure that there's no extra spaces there, and then we can close the header and footer. So now that you'll see when we press enter to go to the third page, our third page header will already be set for us. So we have the title of our header and the page number all in Times New Roman 12 font, and that will hold for the rest of the paper. So hopefully this was helpful. Please let me know if you have questions.